Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is another no rush type of video which I usually record in a very relaxed manner. I should say we are in no rush, we are not after any stop loss, TP and like I mean to say at this time the markets that doesn't matter a lot to me, so I can better focus on the charts and discuss some of the mistakes that most of the traders repeat again and again and again, in which one of them is also me sometimes, because this is market and these things will be there. So I have to discuss today this concept. I haven't given it a name as of now, but in the live stream that day, previous week, I get a question, and that is also true to a very greater extent. And this is not just this person who asked the question. I think it happens to most of the traders, and if we work on our skills, I should say, we can improve it. So what's that? And that is, the market is showing, like graphically, when you see a structure, let's suppose this one, when you see this particular structure, now it is printed in your mind, right? And whenever such structure appears in front of you, you will get its vibes. Let's suppose if the market is going up like this, at some point in time you start to see that very easily, that okay, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, right? So that's why, because the market try to tells us that. So remember my friends, the market will be showing, and this is very much important concept, market showing something else and it do something else. Showing something else and reality is most of the time different than that, right? So let's see how we can minimize this thing, because most of the traders cannot follow their strategies of this problem. The market showing that it's going up and it's go down, and most of the beginner traders repeat these mistakes again and again, again and again and again. So first of all, we have to understand that a strategy is a must thing we have, right? Like without the strategy, it is something like see, like this is an ocean, right? And you are driving a boat in it, but you have no direction. So a strategy will always be giving us direction, and obviously there are always two directions in the market, and up and down. So since there are now two directions in the market, we definitely need a strategy. And not even two directions, but there are a lot of them, the ranges and those other. I'm not going into the details of that as of now. So we definitely need a strategy, and then we need another thing, discipline. And I will be giving you practical example. Discipline, I think I have, pardon me if the spelling is wrong, discipline. So what the market usually do is it want to break our discipline. It will try to break. How will it do that? By showing us wrong pattern. Very nice. I can see right here one, and I am so sure most of the traders took buy trades right here. Why? It's not always because of the emotions, right? It's sometimes because of the wrong following of the strategy. You became bullish from right here. That was very nice. You took further buy trades right here. That was even more than nice than that. Right here, my friend, you should have closed some of your positions in profit. So this much profit you have got from the market. That was good. But let's say you followed this whole story all the way from right here. And don't get bored, I'm discussing discipline, the forex discipline, and how the market breaks it. So it showed this image, and I'm saying the market is showing us this image, but maybe we are creating it for ourselves. Till this point, I cannot clarify. Both of them seems to be the same to me. So we became bullish from right here, more bullish from right here, and what the strategy suggests: when you enter at 61.8 at C, you have to close half of 68 the previous 61.8. And right here I am discussing this thing. And there are those traders who are fresh sellers, let's say. They also joined the rally. And those who followed this image of the market, who follows this uptrend, they have got stuck into the market. Why? Because the market was showing you this thing: A, B, C and the D. Remember, you have to identify the correct one. So here you took this thing. Your discipline is broken in different ways. One of which I can explain now is obviously this support wasn't broken. What we say, this resistance. If a resistance, a breakout occur, a retest, and then we go back up. So those traders who took buy trades right here, it's not always about the strategy, that the strategy gave them the wrong thing. This is the image that we create for ourselves. Did you get my point? And the sellers successfully made a double top, divergence, and roll over very easily. Now how it did that, what it did right here, these bulls from right here started to create a false story that we are completing point D. And here comes the aggressive traders who took further buys, because in market there should be some buyers right here so that the sellers can sell on them. So the discipline right here was broken. The strategy was suggesting if we go and retest a recent resistance, which is very recent right here. See, this is, if it was like this and it took a lot of time right here, and if it created like this, then we can say okay, it's a spike up and it can now break. But this was a very mature one, I should say, immature one, I should say, fresh. And what happened? Made a divergence on the RSI, a bearish divergence, and a drop. The strategy was suggesting and a leave out at the market 61.8. See right here. But the best rally was very strong, so they push it back down. Now what did you understood from my this whole lecture? Did you understand that how the market breaks your discipline? It may not always be the market, right? It may be us on the other hand side as well, in different forms. Different forms, my friends, different forms. How we do that? Greed, impatience, those are the things which are connected with human nature. They will be still there, so I'm not touching that. But FOMO, my friend, FOMO, a very funny word to me if I say FOMO, because out of this FOMO problem, a lots of the traders have blown their accounts loudly and clearly. I'm saying FOMO. So what this FOMO thing is, according to me, let me also explain that to you. I want to pick this example. I took buy trade from here. Why? Because we have previous support zone, right? I took buy, made profit. When I saw this is 61.8% of this impulsive, like there is an ABCD pattern and God knows what will happen, I left that position there, come back down another 61, which is obviously my strategy, and a pullback. I made profit on this impulsive, like most probably on this one, maybe some scalping and intraday on this one, a drop and recent, and maybe one tiny losing trade right here. Okay, and then I took further buys, and most probably I must have closed my positions near this zone somewhere, booked profit. Now it's coming back. What do you think? Am I going to wait for the 61% retracement of this impulsive leg? Let me show you. Of this impulsive leg, this one? No. Yes, like I had to wait for it. I had to wait for it to buy more. But if I try to buy from right here, it means this is FOMO. The correct trader will never do that. Who will buy right here? Let me explain that to you. A trader emotionally entering on a buy right here, or a buy right here, market is giving this much profit, but he's ignoring this 61.8% retracement. That trader, he or she, is looking at this bigger picture of market. Well, my friend, bigger picture do completes in the market. See A, B, C, and right here the D. But it do take time. These impulsive, like if you want to become a day trader, you definitely will need them. So the market gave several indications for a buy. Now those traders who took wrongly entered into this market, let me explain that to you. Market is coming back down, right? The sellers made profit and exit near previous support. Initial bulls come into the market, which I already explained, made profit. These same sellers jumped into the market, made profit. These buy traders again jumped into the market, made profit. This time the level became a resistance, and even like a toppy resistance, I should say. Then these sellers again came back down, but the bulls say no, we are strong. we are strong. The bulls took over the market. The sellers made profit right here. The bulls took over the market. The story became recycled. People were waiting for 61.8% retracement. The bulls were so angry, they created their own ugly shape story, very ugly shape, that so that the most traders cannot understand. If we miss this opportunity, we could avail this one. See, a breakout. Okay, this is the H4, so 1 2 3, almost 12 hours worth of. And once we saw this sell opportunity, okay, at that time we could also intraday day trade those as well. And we could also say, okay, from here I'm going to take a buy trade. Boom, look at it, 61.8% retracement. And here we go, that is the point D. So that's A, B, C and the D. Everywhere you will be looking for 61.8. This wasn't, sorry, but this was a breakout trade it gave. This was a retest trade it gave. This was another impulsive like breakout trade right here. So the thing is, my friend, you have to follow the correct story of the market. See, understand it at one point, and at the double top what happens is the story usually becomes zero, recycled, I should say, recycled, cycled, completed. So this way this whole market moves, my friends, and it creates our, like, if we are not disciplined enough, you are not going to, you will be keep, you, not you, but most traders will be keep on trap, on sell right here, on sell right here, on sell right here. And even there are traders who, when there is another concept, there are a lot of the things. The market will be, you will have $1,000 of account. Market will be easily giving you $30 of profit on one trade. You will have another one giving you $80. Oh my friend, close it. This is $120, $110. This is around 11%, which is more than enough. No, sorry, this is 20%. Yes, 10%. So close it and take a good buy from a good level. That was the whole story I wanted to discuss with all of you, these things. And for so long actually I was trying to upload these videos, but then the family and all of these other stuffs. So I will try to do these videos at least thrice or 4 or 5 times a day, so that there is a big room for learning always. Remember, after 8 years of in forex trading, still on daily basis I do learn, and I try to teach you that and let you, if you already know about it, let's share my opinions with you. So take care of yourself. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.